In addition to using ChatGPT to get insights and video ideas, you can also use it to create video scripts or outlines. How can you do this in practice? Well, in the previous lesson, I got some video ideas, so you can send the following prompt to ChatGPT. Create a video script about, and here, you describe the theme and characteristics of the video you want. For example, in the previous lesson, ChatGPT gave me some viral video ideas related to digital marketing. I can ask it to generate a video script. Let's use one of the example videos. Top 10 digital marketing tools you need to know about. I'll highlight some key characteristics of this idea. So I'll input top 10 digital marketing tools you need to know about and include some key details to help it generate the best script. I'll send this message to ChatGPT. And here's the video script that ChatGPT created. So the video would start like this. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're serious about digital marketing, you need the right tools in your arsenal. Today we're counting down the top 10 digital marketing tools you need to know about. Let's dive in. Below that, it organized the main topics I would cover throughout the video. This is how the script I requested from ChatGPT turned out. Another way you can create a video script with ChatGPT is by sending the following prompt. Create a detailed script for a YouTube video about, and then describe the video's theme and some characteristics. I'll make the same request as before, but this time I'll ask for a more detailed script. I'll input top 10 digital marketing tools you need to know about and send this message to ChatGPT. Here we go everyone, this is the more detailed video script that ChatGPT generated. The introduction is quite similar to the previous one, but it's more comprehensive. Comparing the following parts of the script, you'll notice that it's even more complete. Another type of script you can generate with ChatGPT is a bullet point outline. I don't know if you're aware, but every content creator follows a script, whether it's a written script like the one ChatGPT generated or a bullet point outline. You can also create bullet point outlines with ChatGPT. Send the following prompt. Create a video outline with the key points I should cover and describe the video's theme and its characteristics. I'll use the same theme and characteristics as in the previous video, top 10 digital marketing tools you need to know about. Let's see which key points it highlights. Here's how my video outline turned out. The first point is the introduction, the second is the content. Briefly introduce the topic and purpose of the video, mention that you will be covering the top 10 digital marketing tools, highlighting their features and benefits. And then it goes tool by tool. This is how our bullet point outline looks. In addition to these methods for creating scripts with ChatGPT, there's a strategy you can use, mentioned in previous lessons, called prompt priming, where you ask ChatGPT sequential questions and then have it arrive at a final question. I'm going to start a new conversation with ChatGPT and ask, my video idea will be the same. Top 10 digital marketing tools you need to know about. I'll ask ChatGPT exactly this before asking it to create the script. What are the best platforms for digital marketing? The response I received was as follows. The best platforms for digital marketing vary depending on your goals, target audience, and type of business. Here are some of the top digital marketing platforms across different categories. And below, it listed each type of platform by category. Now, I'm going to write the following, a sequential question related to this topic using prompt priming. Is it possible to earn money using all platforms? Scaling my business. This is a sequential question. The response I received was, yes, it's possible to earn money by using multiple digital marketing platforms and scaling your business effectively. Here's how you can do it. And below, it listed how I could do this process in practice. Now I'm going to ask my final question. Since I've trained ChatGPT through sequential questions, I'll use the same prompt. Create a video script about top 10 digital marketing tools you need to know about. I'll send this message to ChatGPT. Look at how the video script turned out, with an even more complete script. After all, I trained ChatGPT using prompt priming, and it understood the type of response I wanted based on my previous questions. But Mateus, the scripts that ChatGPT generates for me seem too formal. I'd like to create a script that matches my speaking style. No problem, you can create a video script using your own tone of voice. How can you do this in practice? You can send the same previous prompt specifying that you wanted to create a script. You'll define the theme and characteristics of the video. Then press Shift plus Enter and add, using the same tone of voice as the video script below. press Shift plus Enter again, and at this point you'll need to provide at least a draft of a script you've written manually before. You can send this script to ChatGPT. So I have this script from another lesson. I'll paste it below. Take a look at this script. Will it use my same tone of voice from this script to create a new one? Yes, I'll send this message to ChatGPT and see what its response is. Alright everyone, look at how the script turned out when I asked it to use my tone of voice from a draft script I sent. Here's how it looks. So folks, today we're diving into a fascinating journey through the top 10 digital marketing tools you need to know about. Just like how our thoughts shape our reality, the right tools can shape your digital marketing success. And this is how the video script turned out that ChatGPT generated for me. If you'd like, you can pause the lesson to review and compare it with the previous script.